Have you ever noticed that some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they work? What if I told you it has less to do with luck and more to do with understanding certain universal principles that most people ignore? You see, building wealth isn't just about hard work, saving, or being in the right place at the right time. In fact, some of the wealthiest people will tell you it goes deeper than that. They tap into something bigger: principles of manifestation, spiritual teachings, and ancient wisdom that have been guiding people toward success for centuries. The truth is, the rich don't follow the same rules we've been taught. They know how to align themselves with these deeper principles, and if you're still thinking that hustling harder is the key, you're missing the point. There's a reason why wealth feels easy to some and impossible for others, and I'm here to show you the mindset shift that can change everything. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to play the game of money, but you'll also see how these ancient principles can help you manifest wealth into your life. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment below with something you want to manifest. Let's start this journey together. All right, let's dive deeper. Most people think that making money is all about effort, putting in more hours, taking on side gigs, maybe even sacrificing your health and relationships for that next promotion. But let's be honest, how many of us have seen people work themselves to the bone and still not get ahead? That's because money doesn't work the way we've been taught. Think about it. Ancient wisdom from cultures around the world teaches us that what you focus on grows. Manifestation is a concept that's been around for thousands of years, and it's more relevant than ever. The idea that your thoughts, emotions, and actions can literally attract or repel wealth might sound a little out there, but when you see how consistently it works, it's hard to deny. Money is energy. The spiritual teachers and ancient philosophers knew this. It's why they taught that aligning your mindset with abundance is the first step to achieving it. People with a scarcity mindset, those who are always worrying about money or feeling like there's never enough, end up stuck in that exact reality. But those who shift their focus to abundance, who trust that the universe is always providing, seem to have money flow to them without effort. It's not magic. It's a shift in perception. When you start thinking and acting like a wealthy person, opportunities begin to appear and money follows. This is one of the universal rules of money. What you believe, you create. So instead of asking, "How do I make more money?" ask yourself, "How can I attract more wealth into my life?" Here's a practical example. Have you ever noticed how people who believe in themselves and what they're doing attract support, clients, or promotions? They're manifesting that success by aligning with the energy of abundance. It's the same principle. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried using manifestation techniques or if you're ready to try them now. And don't forget to subscribe to keep learning how to align with this flow. Now let's talk about mindset. There's an old saying in many spiritual traditions, "As within, so without." Meaning, the world around you is a reflection of what's happening inside you. If you believe the world is full of opportunities, you'll find them. If you believe it's full of obstacles, well, guess what? That's what you'll see. The wealthy have mastered this mindset shift. They think in terms of abundance and possibility, not limits or scarcity. It's not just about thinking positively, though. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with what you want to attract. This is why manifestation is so powerful. A person with a scarcity mindset is always in fear of losing, whether it's money, opportunities, or relationships. This fear keeps them playing small. But when you shift to an abundance mindset, you realize there's enough wealth for everyone. You stop competing, you stop stressing, and you start creating. Take this idea from ancient wisdom, the concept of karma. You've probably heard it. What you put out into the world comes back to you. This isn't just about good deeds. It applies to money too. The more value you create for others, the more wealth comes back to you. The universe has a way of rewarding those who give more than they take. So if you're constantly worried about holding on to what you have, you're actually blocking the flow of wealth into your life. The next time you catch yourself thinking, "I can't afford this," shift your thinking. Ask yourself, how can I create the wealth I need for this? This small shift in mindset opens up your creativity and aligns you with opportunities instead of limitations. If this resonates with you, drop a comment about how you're going to start thinking in abundance, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this. You might be thinking, okay, I get it. Manifestation, abundance, mindset shifts. But why do so many people fail even when they know all of this? Here's why. They don't take action. The law of attraction, something spiritual leaders often talk about, is only half the equation. Yes, your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality, but nothing changes until you move. Think of it like planting a seed. You can manifest a bountiful harvest all you want, but if you don't plant that seed and water it, nothing grows. That's where most people get stuck. They dream, they plan, they hope, but they don't act. And the universe rewards action. The ancient Stoics taught that action is the key to overcoming fear and procrastination. They believe that we gain clarity through doing, not through thinking. That's why the most successful people aren't waiting for the right moment. They're creating it by taking imperfect action and learning along the way. But it's not just about doing anything. It's about aligning your actions with the energy of abundance. When you take steps toward your goals, even small ones, you're telling the universe, "I'm ready to receive." And the universe responds. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you want to start a business. You can sit around visualizing it for months, but until you take that first step, whether it's researching, making connections, or launching a small version of your idea, you're not in the game. So, if you're serious about manifesting wealth, you need to take inspired action. I challenge you to comment below with one action you'll take today to move closer to your goals. And make sure you subscribe so we can keep building this momentum together. Now, here's the part most people find hardest to accept. If you want to change your financial situation, you need to take 100% responsibility for it. That means no more blaming the economy, your boss, or your circumstances. This is a core principle in both spiritual teachings and ancient wisdom. Your external world is a reflection of your internal world. Take the concept of responsibility from the teachings of ancient sages like Buddha or Lao Tzu. They taught that your life is a mirror of your choices, thoughts, and actions. Wealth works the same way. If you've been stuck financially, it's because of your past choices. But here's the empowering part. The moment you decide to take full responsibility, you take back control of your financial future. The rich aren't just lucky. They take ownership. They make conscious decisions about their money, their time, and their energy. They understand that wealth is the result of discipline, consistency, and aligned action. And one of the most powerful ways to align yourself with wealth is through giving. In almost every spiritual tradition, giving is considered the key to abundance. The more you give, the more you open yourself to receive. Think about it. When you give without expecting anything in return, you're telling the universe you trust in its abundance. It's a cycle. The more you put out, the more comes back. If you're serious about changing your financial reality, take a moment right now to think about where you're going to take ownership in your life. Drop a comment, and let's inspire each other to take control. And of course, subscribe if you're ready to transform your wealth mindset. We've covered a lot of ground today. You now know the spiritual and ancient principles behind wealth. You understand the mindset shifts you need to make, and you've seen why most people fail. But none of this will matter if you don't take action. Remember, manifestation and mindset are powerful tools, but they only work if you use them. Every day that you delay taking action, you're keeping yourself stuck. The game of money rewards those who act, and those who align their actions with abundance. So here's my challenge to you. What's one thing you can do today to move toward your financial goals? Comment below and make that commitment to yourself. And if you're ready to keep learning, to keep aligning yourself with wealth, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Together, we'll unlock the power of manifestation and ancient wisdom to build the wealth you've always dreamed of.